Hi Abhinav, welcome to MS Blogs again.
Hello,
Okay,
thank you, back.
yeah,
A pleasure
and
being.
yeah, yeah, it's my pleasure to interview you. Yeah, and
Thank you.
yeah, and now we are gonna discuss about your upcoming film Kalari. Yeah,
Yeah,
so just first, I would like to ask you one question: is how is it for you to direct your dad? Yeah,
directing my dad is
yeah,
actually, I would tell you that I'm not a person who promotes nepotism and all, but I wanted a bad actor.
okay,
Okay, I wanted a bad actor to see that how I direct,
okay,
you know. So my dad was someone who liked films and all. He had tried applying in films and all when he was small, but then, one of this film that he acted was, it didn't release.
okay,
So, not a main character and all, but he
okay,
had a character with a dialogue and two, three
okay,
scenes
okay.
and all. But
Okay.
that didn't come out. So now, I mean, I feel that he's not that great actor. So I wanted to see how this is my last short film, So I have to
Okay.
just experiment everything that I can in this, and I can be like I have finished my studies. So studying cinema,
Yeah.
it's not that I will finish it.
Yeah.
You cannot finish any studies in
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
world
Yeah.
till you die. But then somewhere I'm ready. So I wanted to direct a bad actor. So I was like, my dad also was like, make something. I mean, you make short films and I'll make a short film on Kalari because he teaches Kalari, and
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, so I was like, okay, I'll make one, and I got a crazy script. So the first script that I got was something that we couldn't shoot with the budget that we had and with the.
Okay. Who wrote that? Who wrote that?
No, it was with me only. I only wrote.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, it popped up in my mind, and I was like, then is when I, announced that Kalari is gonna release and we are gonna shoot and all. But then we couldn't release it. Then I took a lot of time. And see, I would tell you, Chinnasamy is a film that we shot with 6 months of hard work.
Okay.
It
Okay.
is actually 6 months of hard work, and Nick
Okay.
is 3 months, and
Okay.
Ajkal is 1.5 months. But that is the duration. But Kalari, I wouldn't tell that much time and all, because see, I had announced it 5 months before. I mean, 3 months before.
Yeah.
No, 5 months before. 5 months before. But
Okay.
all this time we weren't shooting and all, because first when we shot, we didn't like it, and I rejected it. And then
Okay.
my dad had got COVID and all, so we
Okay.
couldn't.
Okay.
And then is when I thought about a crazy story that we could actually shoot with the pennies we have. So so then I came up with this story. With this, I feel is more thrilling than action film. This is actually going to give you goosebumps at a moment. It's that
Okay.
thrilling.
Okay.
It's a thriller actually, and it has a great action and all. I don't know whether it's great or not, but I have tried to get it out. Like, I have tried to capture it and show you all a great action thing, but I don't know how it's gonna be.
Okay. So, uh,
1 minute.
yeah. Yeah. You were saying something about this. Like, yeah. Correct. Correct. Color is an art form. Okay. So you have to do some research and all, right? So what are the things that you have researched
No,
and
no,
what?
no, no. See,
Okay.
you
Okay.
will understand on the film releases only. It is not actually about Kalari, but
Okay.
Kalari is an element that is coming. See,
Okay.
this is what I do. The initial thing what we had was Kalari.
Okay.
It was about Kalari, but now
Okay.
what we have is something. But uh, uh, somewhere Kalari is there around the thing. So
Okay.
it is not as Kalari.
Okay. So is it set in period time or something like or present?
No, 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 no. It is completely of this time only.
Okay. Okay. So
Yes.
and you're also acted in this film, right?
Yeah.
So, like, you're an established actor already, and your dad is debutant. So, what are the things like? How did you manage? Like, Yeah.
How did I manage? See, it was easy for me,
Okay.
because in Kalari, see, if you see in Chinnasamy, I'm the hero, but I don't have that much screen space in it.
Okay.
The story is actually
Yeah.
taking it, if you see.
Yeah.
It is more of, this Ramaya, this guy, and things are going like that. I just come in 3 to 4 scenes and I vanish off. Even Kalari is like that. My dad doesn't have so much to do in it.
Okay.
The story is actually about someone else. You'll
Okay.
get that when you watch the film. It is a, as I told you, it's a humongous story. It's a huge story
Okay.
which we are trying to tell. So most of the times he is not there. It's just moving like that. But he's the hero. So of course he comes in some massive scenes, and it's like that. It's basically like how Chinnasamy is. But
Okay.
I mean, not the story, but the actor's
Yeah.
presence.
Okay. Yeah. So okay, the writing process of coloring, like you said, you have 5 months of time to write that, and then you had a 1 month to complete it. Like,
Yeah.
how, yeah.
See, Kaleri, first story was something that we couldn't achieve with the budget we have. So we
Okay.
had to change the story. It didn't. It took around 4 to 5 months to get another story, another great story. So I got this Kaleri as what it is now, like uh, 1 month back, and we
Okay.
just shot it. We
Okay.
just shot it just like that. This is the film that I've done, so fast.
Oh, okay.
This is just like shoot, 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 leave, shoot, finish.
Okay.
I have actually told Kalari's release date. It's on this 30th.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's 19 today. I just have few more days. I have to finish a massive action climax
Yeah.
thing. I don't know how I'll pull it off, but still, let's see how it is going to.
Okay. And okay. The shooting spot. Where did you shot the film? In Kerala or in Bangalore?
Kalari is shot in Bangalore.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm asking this because last month you were in Kerala, right? That's when.
Yeah. No. I'll tell you, it is shot in Bangalore, but uh, it's not actually Bangalore. It's a
Okay.
Karnataka and Tamil Nadu border is where we shot.
Okay. Okay.
Because in the film we show it as Tanjavur.
Oh, okay.
And we
Yeah.
have some clips from Tanjavur also. We had asked some person to take it and send it to us. So
Okay.
it is basically like you are in Tanjavur, and there is a portion
So
that
you
we
sent a
shot.
person to Tanjore and you asked him to.
No. There
Okay.
was someone there. We asked him to
Okay.
shoot
Okay.
and
Okay.
just send it.
Okay.
So it was all like that.
Okay. So in
But
which
in the
language?
film, it's like
Okay.
story is happening in Tamil Nadu.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
In which language?
It's in
The
Tamil.
film.
The film is Tamil.
Okay. So you don't have any subtitles? Like you're not going to release a film with subtitles, or you just gonna release without?
No subtitles.
Okay. Okay.
See, subtitles.
Yeah, I really want
Subtitles
to
are
know about it.
actually useful. Yeah,
Okay.
subtitles are actually useful, but then I feel that they are not useful because
Yeah.
it actually destroys a film's beauty.
Yeah. I
See,
really I
an
agree with the
Avatar.
point.
See, a
Yeah.
film like Avatar,
Yeah.
if you're going to watch it in IMAX and even if you don't know any English thing, but you still want to watch it,
Yeah.
it is that, high visuals, it's like going on to a great trip.
Yeah.
You want to explore. So you basically don't look into that. So Kalari is like a huge thing that we have shot. Not with huge wide lens and all, but still there is a beauty in Kalari. You'll understand it. We have shot it in multiple locations. This is the first time I shot it in so many places across Bangalore.
Okay.
I've shot it in many places. It's outside only. You will
Okay.
understand me.
Okay. And you
So
completed all this in 1 month or less than that?
yeah, we completed shoot of Kalari in 3 weeks.
Okay.
Now I
Okay.
just have to finish this climax fight thing.
Okay.
So we have to, I actually we finished that also, but I thought we have to add like, I mean, the one which we shot wasn't giving that much of, that
Satisfaction.
hair raising experience.
Okay.
So
Oh yeah. Okay.
yeah, so I wanted to shoot it again. That's all. Or else Kalari, I could release it on this Bakri only. Tomorrow only I could.
So, and what can we expect from Kalari?
Kalari, I don't want anyone to expect anything now. Too much of
Okay.
expectation is there
Okay.
as of now.
Yeah,
Already
because
because of that is
there
what
is some
I'm scared of.
expectation because
See,
you gave Nick and then you gave Najkal, both were so successful, and then everybody will have expectations, right?
no, see Nick and this thing, actually they also were hit, but then people want to see something like Chinnaswamy again.
Okay.
Great action scene
Yeah.
and stuff. So, and some of the people believe that I'm good in all these things, action films, than anything, which I
Okay.
don't like to believe. I like to make fantasy films like Nick
Okay.
and all those things, or Ajkal. I like action cinemas also. I mean, action cinemas are the most difficult one to make.
Okay.
So in Kalari, I feel that I don't know whether it will break that expectations or not, but whatever. See, and moreover, when you make a film like Kalari, when you promote it so much, when you tell that I'm going to make a big cinema, there is always an extra expectation that comes that this is going to be successful.
Okay.
This has to be successful.
Okay.
You see, any film in any language, Indian, Hollywood, Bollywood, anything, okay, it is that, see, whenever there is a big film with big posters, all these things, big promotion and all coming, people just want it to be hit.
Yeah.
See, when a Vijay cinemas come,
Yeah.
actor Vijay cinema come, before its release, people always want it to be hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
They just want it to be hit. They don't know. They're like, okay, this is going to be hit, sure hit.
Yeah.
So that is because great star, always great scale, So it is like that. But at the same time, you take a, RJ Balaji cinema.
Okay.
Or like a Mookuthi Amman. I think Mookuthi Amman is one of the craziest recent films in Tamil cinema, which is so funny. Yeah. So you take that film, it is like, okay, saw the trailer, we'll let it release, we'll see how it is. And then they tell the review. But all this, big budget, all those cinemas, before it's released only, it has to be successful.
Yeah.
So that pressure is there. I don't know whether I'll be able to overcome that or not, but I've tried my best. Let's see what happens.
Okay. So you said this film is a very big film. Okay, and will Kalari make us entertain or make what you want to do? Okay, like this is what you want to give. Okay, like this is the output what you want to give, and do we get that because we are watching it in a small screen? Okay, whether it is a desktop or
No. You will get it.
that.
You will get it because
Okay.
Kalari's cinematography is not actually. I wouldn't tell satisfactory. It's satisfied, but still, I don't think it has given that effect of high visual and all.
Okay.
It has given. It is a great thing. Again, it's my cinema. I won't complain, but it is a great thing. But it is not like you won't feel that, okay, if this was in bigger screen, I could have enjoyed it. You won't feel that or not, because story is engaging. I can ensure you that you will be just waiting to see what is happening. That is that. But what I'm scared of is this thing that, see, I have promoted this as an action thing.
Okay.
So I am scared that how that action scenes will work.
Okay.
There is no much of action thing. Only a few parts there is action. So I'm scared that how people will take that. Okay. It's like telling people that you have biryani and you give them veg biryani. You know,
Okay.
it's like that. I don't know whether what I'm giving is veg biryani or mutton biryani, but still, it is something like that, I feel.
Okay. And
Huh.
what's the like? I was having a conversation with the cinematographer and editor, and he told me that like because I'm a cinematographer and editor at the same time, I don't shoot unwanted scenes. Okay. And he also told that we used to even the writing even in the writing process itself, we used to have these are the scenes we're gonna shoot. We don't gonna shoot unwanted scenes and all. So now you are an editor and you are a cinematographer, so you don't shoot unwanted scenes, and you are a writer, so you don't write unwanted scenes, and you are a producer
I don't
and
write
you.
at all. I don't write at all.
Okay. Okay.
My entire thing depends upon this camera and editing thing. That is what I all every time that whenever I do a film, that is what I do.
So
I
you don't
shoot
write
a
it.
hell lot of.
So you don't write in like in book or in like
No, no, I
notepad.
never write. I never write.
Okay. So
I never write. It's all in mind, and I
yeah.
just shoot random. I
Okay.
just
So
shoot
you
randomly.
happy with the output?
Yeah. Are you happy with a Nick or an Ajkal or
Yeah.
a Chinnasamy?
Yeah.
So I will be happy.
Oh. Yeah.
That's all. See, I
Okay.
shoot it like that. Maybe it's an ability or it's a it may not be an ability. I don't know how it is, but as of now, I'm fine with this. I have a story in mind. I know how to execute it. I will just shoot it
Even for
randomly and anytime.
please for Kalari too.
No. Kalari also there is no written thing and all. It's
Okay.
all in mind. It is that I'm thinking all the time, and I keep asking questions. Okay, I'm like, how am I going to shoot this? Okay, if I shoot this, will this work? See, if you tell me why I became a careful, questioner of myself or my story is because of the failure of this film known as Jungle that I took.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was the first film that I did with huge VFX. There's tiger coming up and
Tiger.
all.
Yeah.
But that failed. People didn't understand the story.
Yeah.
And then I understood there should be one shot of this man who was chased by tiger before we go to the past. Only then people would understand. So after that, I didn't want to fail as a person, who couldn't explain story properly. See, cinema may fail or,
Yeah.
it may not, but at least they should get the story.
Yeah.
I failed that. That was the biggest failure
Okay.
I feel. So from then I keep asking questions to myself that, okay, how am I going to convey this? Okay. And if I get all answers right, I keep that story in mind and I just shoot.
Okay. So like so your dad believed that like without writing, this guy will easily pull off.
Who?
Your dad.
Yeah, I don't tell story to anyone. Nobody knows story.
Okay.
They're
Even your
like
dad.
you only. Not only that, anyone who acts in
Okay.
this thing, even the cinematographer or anyone, I don't tell them this story, Anna. I just ask them to do the work properly. That's all. Good, get out. That's all. I
Okay.
won't tell them get out, but still, I'm
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
that harsh person, Anna.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't tell. I don't tell story, Anna. I'm like, you do your work properly. I'm here to check. I mean, take over my work. I'll do it properly. That's all. Finish it.
Okay. So when
That's
you're
all.
acting, who will say this action cut things and all?
Yeah, that is basically, see, in my films, any films, we have not put director of photography
Okay.
because always we have this thing known as operative cameraman.
Okay.
See, in cinemas also you will have that operative cameraman.
Okay.
That is who is operating.
Yeah.
DOP will be someone else who has the visual in mind. So this person who operates it is known as operative camera. So every film it's like that. We just ask someone else to operate if I am acting.
Okay.
I'll be like, or tilt it off like this. I'll be
Okay.
like, just go and, track in zoom or anything. They'll do it. That is what I have always.
Okay, and who will do this direction things? Like who will say this action cut for the as a director?
It is told by the cameraman only, half of it,
Okay,
who operates the camera. I just ask him to tell action. I'll tell cut myself.
okay.
I just ask
So
him to roll it. He'll roll and
okay,
he'll be like, that's all.
okay. So like you just you explain the scene and then you just come and act.
I don't explain. That's what I'm telling. I don't
Okay,
explain
I just
anything to anyone.
shooting spot to the cinematographer. You don't do that.
Nothing. I just ask,
Okay,
catch camera. You
okay,
come, tell this, go. That's all.
okay,
That's all what I do. I don't tell any story. If you see, my dad doesn't know what he did. Till now, he doesn't know what he did.
okay,
He's just coming, hitting people and going. That's all. Nothing. He doesn't know this story.
okay.
He doesn't know why he's hitting that person. Yeah, it is like that. That is how I feel.
Oh, okay, so everybody will be praised right, praised right. You know, after the film, like after the release, they be praised right. Wow, I didn't know that you will make it like this. So you just pull it off like they say that right.
I don't take all those things seriously. I don't
Okay,
take reviews also seriously.
okay,
I've told no. I am
yeah,
saying
yeah.
my dream is not to, sort of make of course my dream is to get dream my main dream, like a
Your
personal dream.
main, sorry, I've got stuck.
Dream.
Sorry, I've got stuck. Okay, can you please say that again?
Yeah, tell me now.
Yeah, your main dream is
Yeah, yeah. Get an Oscar for Indian cinema, but
okay.
why that came up is because of the this dream. Every Saturday, then go watch a film, come sleep.
Okay.
That is one thing that I really love in my life.
Okay.
If you ask people, they may tell, I want to go to Italy, France, I want to explore world, but I don't want all those things.
Okay.
I'm ready to work full week. I want to work. Saturday night, I want to go out in a restaurant, have crazy food, watch last show. That is
Okay.
so. That is what I like. My parents used to take me for films like that. We used to go for films like that. So that is one thing that I really like in my life.
Okay. So, like, what's the advantage of being a director, producer, cinematographer, editor, and actor at the same time?
You don't have to answer anyone. That's all.
Okay.
You can do whatever you want.
Okay. So, like, that is some pressure, right?
There's no pressure, nothing.
Okay.
Just that you have more of free. You may lose your control.
Okay.
See, since I'm the producer and since I'm the director, I may feel that, okay, this one I have to shoot it like this. I will spend money. I may think all the other, but we should check whether, since I'm an editor also, I'll be having that in mind. Okay, this is a massive shot, but I don't think this will make it to the edit.
Yeah.
So I'll cut it off then only.
Okay.
I'll be like, no need, I simply waste. That's all.
Okay. Okay, and do you want to say anything about coloring? Like that you want the audience to like
I
this is
want
going to be
everyone to watch Kalari on its release day and
okay.
support us just with your reviews, because Kalari is something that we have made with so much of effort. I will tell you that. So much of effort. We just shot that film within 3 weeks. And when you see the I don't know how great that out is gonna be or how worst it is gonna be, but still, you will understand that we have put in so much of effort because we have shot in multiple locations. We have had this great issues with the shots and all. We have had issues with action things and all. So sorry. Okay. So I want all of you to watch it and support us. That's all.
Okay.
Hey, just a minute.
Okay.
All know.
Yeah. So I think that's it. I don't have any other questions, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay. Thanks for giving interview to Yama's Talks. Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. And then we'll definitely do an interview after the release of Kalani.
Yes. Yeah, we'll do it. Definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Yeah.